It's Sunday, and I want to make one of them out of aluminium, alloy, and there's one on the internet, but they don't give you plans. They do. I'm wrong again. If you pay for them. Well, I don't pay for things, you know, because I just think that's stupid. I always thought internet was a place of sharing. We're going to have a go at making that, and probably I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, but I'm going to have a go. Wait, I got something in my eye. Oh yes, my finger. So I printed out several of these, just in case of emergencies. And then you'll do the initial shape, and then we'll do that shape, and then we'll do that shape, and then we'll do that shape, probably. That makes sense? I haven't got a clue what to do here, so let's just cut it out. Oh. But if you're having trouble with your printing, and your printer only seems to do different sizes in stages, put an art package on. I think I use Paint Shop Pro. Then that allows you to resize this any size you bloody want it. So, bing! We're going to cut that shape out. It's the first cut. Me. Yeah, I think that would be alright. Right, get your pot of PVA and give it a dosh. If we can fit that back on there now, we'd be chuffed. So we'll cut that out and I'm thinning it down. Are we on? No. Okay, let me just whip around this thing. Right, we're going to start, I think, after that. You tell me if I'm wrong, alright? We're happy with that. Now, we're going to take another one of them and cut that shape out. Right, okay, just my brain doesn't work like yours. So that piece is gonna go into there. No spreading on Sundays apparently. This thing seems to have spasms of working great and then not working hardly at all, so it don't have to be spot on, do it? As long as it's looking close. I'll put that there because I might just need it again, won't I? So you want two of them, 1/4 inch. And they're going on there like that. Now we want 2 long bits going up there. This long bit here. go for half. Really quiet, isn't it? It's the quietest you heard me for a while. If you put glue on there, the piece you're cutting, as soon as that blade susses you out, it just don't like it. And it slows up. Now these pieces are very thin. I've done these pretty thin. Make sure you get it the right way, otherwise it won't go there. I was going to cut an angle, but I think I'll leave it till machining, you know. Right, we are getting there, even though some of you were fell asleep about 4 times, but we are getting there. That goes on there like that. Okay. I was supposed to have all crisscrosses in. We're obviously going to have a go at that, but not. That'll be on the machines. There's a little doodly there. I presume that'll be the lock. Is that what it's called? Well, we got like 2 more cuts to do. If we can do 2 more cuts, I'm going to be happy. That's got to go back in a minute, but that's a thick. We're going to thin it out, put it back in. Half the size of the trigger. Let me just do the sights for the top. It's a triangle like that, which is going to fit on the top of there, but with a doodly pick, when you're a doodly into it. I've never been any good at this sort of thing. Delicate things is just not my it's not my bag. We gotta put that trigger thing back in there, which fits in there, so we just need some glurpy around the edge of there, like that. And that's gotta go back in the middle. So like that. Well, there was one more thing, but I'm thinking, can I do it? You know, like that. I'll probably do it. Does that get hot? Things I try, you know. I can live with that. We can drill it out. Still works as well. We can still. So, let me show you what we ended up with. So if you want to see the finish of this, please subscribe, because I'll be hopefully casting this within the next day or two, and you can see it finished. Okay, thanks for watching. I like to talk to my sponsor tonight. My sponsor, film director, young Alan.
Hello.
Thank you.